Welcome back to our virtual Read 180 class. We are so happy you are here and we hope you are all doing really well. This video will be your guide as you work through the assignments for Wednesday, May 6th. But before we get to today's assignments, we just wanted to remind you that we do not have a scheduled call today. So while we won't be meeting up on Google Meet today, we are always accessible to you. If you have questions or concerns, please reach out to Ms. Whiteside or to me, and we are always happy to assist you in any way we can. So, before I actually continue on, let me just say that I have been having problems with this program this morning, and I've redone this video like 20 times already. So, if it gets glitchy, please just stick with me, and we'll try to get through it together. Okay, so we are working with the unit Alien Invaders. As you know, you read Freaky Fish last week, and this week we've been focusing on the brown tree snakes of Guam in the article Island of Snakes. So, what is it that you're going to be doing today? Well, you are going to watch through this video all the way through. And as you do, you are going to follow along with me. So that today we're going to be doing the activity where I read the story aloud and I will stop at random places and you will fill in the missing words. So follow along with me as I read another time through the article Island of Snakes. And when I pause, make sure that you're with me so you can fill in whatever word or phrase is missing. And then, like usual, you will complete and submit today's R book assignment. And you will do that through Google Forms. So I'm going to give you just a moment to go ahead and access your article. Go ahead and pull it up, and I'm going to switch over to mine as well, and then we'll get started. Are you ready? Okay, so just a reminder as I read through, I will pause from time to time. Make sure that you are with me and that you fill in whatever missing words I leave out. Okay, let's do this. Island of Snakes. 50 years ago, the brown tree snake arrived in Guam. Life hasn't been the same since. If you visit the island of Watch out for snakes. They hang from trees, in the bushes. They might even into your bed while you're sleeping. Snakes take over. Guam is a tiny island in the middle. Brown tree snakes arrived here from New Guinea, another island. Nobody meant to bring the snakes to Guam. They crawled onto and ships by accident. Then they slithered off onto the island. When they did, changed. Brown tree snakes are in to the island. Because they have no natural on Guam, the snakes keep, in fact, they're completely out of control. Currently, there are more than snakes per square mile on the island. Dangerous damage. Since invading Guam, the brown tree snakes have damaged the islands. They've killed and eaten native lizards, birds. As a result, 10 of the 12 species of birds are now the brown tree snakes. Them all. The snakes interfere with life on Guam in other ways. They like to hang on because they weigh so much the power lines snap. They have caused more than 1,600 power outages. For this reason, the lights refrigerators, computer screens. It costs a lot to fix the damage caused by the snakes. The snakes don't eat people, but they do bite. People versus snakes. The brown tree snakes also threaten people. They crawl into houses, they creep inside schools. What are they looking for? The snakes don't eat people, but they. What happens when a brown tree snake bites you? You will be in, but you won't die. The venom is only. The bite feels like a very bad bee sting. The snakes are more dangerous for children. Can't fight off a snake as well. Because the snake can get a better grip around a small victim, its bite, more venom. The venom is so powerful that some children have trouble breathing after a brown tree snake bite. Endless battle. Brown tree snakes have Guam forever. Now, fear that the snakes might invade other islands too. The same that happened in Guam could happen in other countries. The snakes might become an. Some time ago, brown tree snakes were found at an airport in. Scientists knew they had to stop the snakes, caused the disaster. Therefore, they killed the snakes right away. The battle with the goes on. In the end, everyone hopes will win. Awesome. I hope you were able to keep up with that. And with that, let's go back to our slideshow and figure out where we're going next. So just as we've been doing, you will now move back into your RBook assignment. You will complete the Google form that we provided for you. You will complete it carefully using complete sentences, and if it asks for it, textual evidence. So, here's one more thing before I say goodbye to you for today's video. How about a joke of the day? So here's the joke of the day. What is a snake's favorite subject in school? What is a snake's favorite subject in school? Okay, you're going to need to know the answer to that, or at least a pretty good guess. So with all of that, I just wanted to say thank you for being here. Thank you again for going through this article with me. Reach out if you have questions, and we wish you a really happy day. Bye.